Hello my fellow eggheads, this is Liz with Egghead Fixers. So you have found that your computer won't restart. It's a bummer when that happens, so I'm going to show you how to force a restart in the command line. So how you do this is you navigate down to search, and I'm going to look for PowerShell. You see it comes right up, and I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to open it just as a regular user. No need to open it as an admin. And then I'm going to run the command shutdown -R, and this will force a shutdown. And because sometimes when you hit the buttons and it's freezing and it's having an error, that won't work, and sometimes the command line will. Not for sure. You could always just risk hitting the power button and doing a quick shut off, but at least it's worth trying doing it in the command line first, because as you know, doing a forced shutdown sometimes can cause problems. So this is a great option, and after I hit this command, it will give me 60 seconds to say goodbye to you guys, and then it will start restarting my computer. I'm about to be signed out. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.